Hi everyone, welcome to Smitha Data Mining channel. Today my video is about graph mining, social network analytics and link mining. What do you mean by graph mining? The task of graph mining is to extract patterns of interest from graphs that describe the underlying data and could be used further. Example for classification or clustering. Graphs become increasingly important in modeling complicated structures such as circuits, images, chemical compounds, protein structures, biological networks, social networks, the web workflows, and XML documents. Many graph search algorithms have been developed in chemical informatics, computer vision, video indexing, and text retrieval. With the increasing demand on the analysis of large amounts of structured data, the graph mining has become an active and important theme in data mining. Even though subgraph isomorphism, that is a NP-complete problem, many graph mining tools for frequent subgraph mining, like example GSPAN or Gaston, that can be applied to large databases due to efficient candidate generation and unique canonical representations. Graph mining has a vast number of applications. Example, biological networks or web data. Chem informatics is another important application of graph mining. Frequent subgraph mining can yield structural alerts, that is, structural subgraphs that have huge impact on the activity of chemical compounds. Then what is a priori based approach for mining frequent subgraphs? A priori based frequent substructure mining algorithms share similar characteristics with a priori based frequent item set mining algorithms. The search for frequent graphs starts with graphs of small size and proceeds in a bottom-up manner by generating candidates having an extra vertex, edge or path. The definition of graph size depends on the algorithm used. The main design complexity of a priori based substructure mining algorithms is the candidate generation step. The candidate generation in frequent item set mining straightforward. This is the algorithm for a priori based frequent substructure mining. The input is a graph data set, minimum support and the minimum support threshold. Output is the frequent substructure set. Method is sk plus 1 tends to 5 for each frequent gi element of sk do, for each frequent gj element of sk do, for each size k plus 1 graph g formed by the merge of gi and gj do if g is frequent in D and G is not an element of Sk plus 1, then insert G into Sk plus 1. If Sk plus 1 not equal to 5, then a priori graph D minimum support Sk plus 1 return. Then we will look what is social network analysis. Social network analysis is another represented by SNA is the process of investigating social structures through the use of networks and graph theory. It characterizes networked structures in terms of nodes, that is individual actors, people or things within the network, and the ties, edges or relationships that connect them. Examples of social structures commonly visualized through social network analysis include social media networks, information circulation, friendship and acquaintance networks, business networks, knowledge networks, difficult working relationships, social networks, collaboration graphs, kinship, disease transmission, and sexual relationships. These networks are often visualized through sociograms in which nodes are represented as points and ties are represented as lines. These visualizations provide a means of qualitatively assessing networks by varying the visual representations of their nodes and edges to reflect attributes of interest. Social network analysis has emerged as a key technique in modern sociology. What are the characteristics of social networks? One is densification power low. The networks becomes increasingly dense over time with the average degree increasing. Another is shrinking diameter. The effective diameter tends to decrease as the network grows. Heavy tailed out degree and in degree distributions. Next is link mining. Traditional methods of machine learning and data mining taking as input a random sample of homogeneous objects from a single relationship may not be appropriate in social networks. The data comprising social networks tends to be heterogeneous, multi-relation and semi-structured. As a result, a new field of research has emerged called link mining. Task involved in link mining. Link based object classification, object type prediction, link type prediction, predicting link existence, link cardinality estimation, object reconciliation, group detection, subgraph detection, metadata mining. Challenges faced by link mining: logical versus statistical dependencies, feature constructions, instances versus classes, collective classification and collective consolidation, effective use of labeled and unlabeled data, link prediction, closed versus open world assumption, community mining from multi-relational networks. So this is about my video. If you have any doubt, you can ask us comments. I will come with the next video. Till then, bye.